Voice acting for beginners. You'll discover the steps you need to take to be able to have what for many is the perfect job. As an independent voice actor with your own home recording studio, you are your own boss. You can earn as much as you like, and you have quite often a lot of fun and satisfaction recording a variety of acting and narration scripts for clients around the world. Also, once you have your little recording studio set up, there are hardly any expenses either, apart from electricity and internet and marketing charges. What's not to like? Let's tell you a bit more about it all. And there's no need to take notes. We'll get you a free PDF checklist at the end.
Now, you may have heard the term voiceover as well as the term voice actor. What's the difference? Well, a voice actor is someone who angles to get work from video game companies or cartoon production houses, from broadcasters who make radio plays, or they get a part in one of the many new podcast play series popping up around the world, very popular, and they'd perform a wide range of parts like a theatre actor would be offered. But of course, nobody would see them, they wouldn't have to dress up, no makeup, no hair, don't worry about it. They could do it in their gym jams or naked if they want. They don't even have to learn lines. They can read off the script.
A voiceover, on the other hand, also may be confusingly called a voice artist, is someone who gets sent all sorts of general scripts that could be used on radio and TV commercials, training programs, phone prompts, or corporate or business video narration. All these scripts they would perform and record in their normal voice, although there will be variations in emotional style and speed, but it would be all the voiceover's own voice.
So if you're particularly interested in doing the general voiceover side of things, have a look at our video playlist on voiceover work, or check out our special voiceover courses we have on voiceovermasterclass.com. Of course, there's nothing wrong with riding both horses, doing voiceover work and voice acting work, if you have the skills and interests in both areas. Like all jobs, there are loads of things to learn, and that's why we set up voiceovermasterclass.com to train newcomers up to speed as rapidly as possible. So, are you up for the challenge? Eventually, you'll need to record and edit show reels that can show off your voice and your flexibility. And we can show you how to do this, and also where to sign up to various voiceover websites, how to create your own website. First, let's take a look at the areas you may need to develop your skills in.
You need to know the type of voice you have and improve any aspects that could have a negative impact on your listeners. This is what we cover in the Voice Training YouTube playlist, and you're welcome to check that out later. Then you can do exercises to help improve your script reading skills. That is so important. You may think you can read well and fast, but voice actors and voiceovers need to be fantastic sight readers. For game scripts, you may be given hundreds of different lines from one character. Many of them could be very similar to each other, but your lines may well be responses to whatever the player clicks on, or responding to another actor. So you need to read their lines quickly too. As well as being great sight readers, us voice actors also need to check if we're making any mistakes when recording. Plus, we need to be able to train our eyes to look ahead both in the next few words and also glance to the next few lines to flag up to the brain any unusual words or pronunciations that are coming up. All this while the mouth reads the current words the eyes are reading. Don't worry, it is perfectly possible to train yourself to do all of this.
You also need to have a good sense of timing. Of course, we can all use stopwatches, whatever, for short scripts, but ideally you'll have trained your internal clock to be very accurate, and you should be able to roughly guess the duration of a script just by looking at it. Now, this timing accuracy is an important skill to develop, particularly, say, for narration voice acting scripts, because often, if you're directed over the headphones by the client or agency, after, say, one take, you may be asked to shave a second off or whatever during the next read of, say, a game promo script that has to fit within a timed period of a ready-made video scene for another language, all right? This is why your sense of timing needs to be enhanced and accurate.
When you start voice work, you'll soon be able to identify script lengths, script types, and how to get your mind into the appropriate voice so that you'll be able to target the client's needs right away. Plus, you may need to learn springboard trigger words or phrases so that you can easily return to that exact character's voice style, accent, or emotion every time. Some voice actors work on visual springboards, so they need to think of a photo of a character to get the voice right away. Some just keep audio samples and play these to get the voice back from when they played the character last. There'll be so many character voices and styles that you'll create yourself, ranging from serious to stereotypical and zany. It all depends on the clients you get, and we'll come to those in a later video. But to record at home, what sort of equipment would you need?
We'll see you in the next video in this playlist where we look at setting up your voice actor studio. Click the link if you'd like to download this video's PDF. Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.